So there's a principle called cause and effect, which states that for every effect, there has to have a cause. Like if a ball's flying through the air, something had to throw it through the air. And you can just keep backing that up. So for every cause, there is an effect. Well, you can keep doing an eternal regression until finally you come to the beginning of the universe, the beginning of time, space, matter, and time. Then there has to be a cause behind that. So then for the universe to come into existence, there has to be something that exists outside of the universe that caused the universe. Well, this is also known as the uncaused causer. This person didn't have, or this thing, this entity, whatever you may ascribe it to be, but sheer logic says that nothing in the universe has caused that person. We call God, Christians call it God, or Christ, but he exists outside of the universe. So then logically, scientifically, we have to follow the law of logic to where the cause and effect to get back to there has to be something to logically conclude that there has to be something outside of the universe that caused the universe. Well, what would you call that? Okay, Christians, we call that Jesus Christ. We call that God. If you're of other faith, you might give it another name, but still, you know that it has to exist logically, scientifically. It can't not exist. It would a reasonable person would just stop and think and ask themselves that what is it? It has to be there, and you don't expect it to be inside the universe. You see, to exist inside the universe, you won't find it. This is why people are always saying, well, we don't see God. We don't have proof of God. Well, no more than you expect the carpenter to live inside the walls of the house that he built. He's outside the house. He's not existing inside the walls of the house. He's greater than the house. He is the one who calls the house. You see? So you wouldn't expect God to be inside of creation to where you can just go point to him. He's greater than creation. He lives outside of creation. But still, logically and scientifically, we know he has to exist. Let me know below what you think. But on the premise of sheer logic, what do you think?